Assalamu alaikum. I'm Shamaila Chaudhary. Come with me today. I don't think I've ever seen this path look this beautiful. This water is so clear. Wait, what is that? Oh, look at this! I think I can make something beautiful with it. Let's clean this first. I want to see what's hiding underneath. Okay, first cut. Let's see how this turns out. Now it's finally starting to look like a real lantern. Bismillah. Let's see how it looks. From an old piece of wood to this. Alhamdulillah. I'll see you in my next vlog. Allah Hafiz.